Hello students, today we will do the exercise 10.4. In this exercise, question number 1, we have to do find modulus of A cross B. Here modulus of A cross B you have to find. For that A is given to you I minus 7j plus 7k and B vector is given to you 3I minus 2j plus 2k. Now look here, how to find this we know already. A and B given to you, A cross B. We have to find first row will be ijk, second row will be coefficients of ijk of A vector, that is 1 minus 7 and plus 7 you have, and third row will be the coefficient of the B vector, that we have 3 minus 2 and plus 2 we have. After that we have to solve this A cross B. How we can solve this A cross B you know already. First by I you open, that you get minus 14 plus 14, then by j you open, then you write minus j bracket 2 minus 21, then by k you will open, then plus k bracket 2 minus 2 and plus 21 you will get here. That you will solve this part and you will get 19j plus 19k you will get. Now you have to find the modulus of A cross B. So modulus of 19j plus 19k you will find, that will be root of 19 square plus 19 square. We have this 2 times, so write root 2 into 19 square. 19 square you take outside, that will be 19 root 2. So this final answer is 19 root 2 you have. Now question number 2, find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector A plus B and A minus B, where A vector is given 3I plus 2j plus 2k and B vector is given to you I plus 2j plus 2k you get. Now how to find the perpendicular vector you know already. So for that A and B are given to you. First you find A plus B and A minus B. So A plus B will be, you will add A and B, that is you will get 4I plus 4j, and similarly you will find A minus B. For that you subtract A and B, that you will get 2I plus 4k you will get. Now you have to find the cross product of A plus B and A minus B. That for that in determinant you write the first row is ijk, second row the coefficients of ijk of A plus B you write, that is 4 4 0. Then you write in third row the coefficient of A minus B, that we have 2 0 and 4. Now you will solve this determinant and you will get this answer minus 16I minus 16j plus minus 8k you get. Then you find the modulus of this, you will get root of 16 square plus minus 16 square plus minus 8 square. Then you can write 16 square, you can have 2 into 8, 2 square into 8 square. The second 16 square also you write 2 square into 8 square, and minus 8 square will be 8 square. Then 8 square took outside, that you get 8 root 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square, that you solve 8 into root 9, and that is you get 24 answer. Now A unit vector is A determinant up. A unit vector is equal to A upon A modulus. That you can write here, find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vector A plus B, A minus B is given by plus minus A plus B into A minus B upon modulus of A plus B cross A minus B, that you have plus minus 16I minus 16j minus 8k upon 24. You will separate and divide by 24 and cancel, you get 2I minus 2j minus k upon 3, and that is equal to plus minus 2 upon 3i minus plus 2 upon 3j minus plus 1 upon 3k you get. This type, this is the answer. Next question is a unit vector A make an angle pi by 3 with I, pi by 4 with j, and acute angle theta with k. Find theta and hence the components of A. Let unit vector A have a1, a2, a3, that is the components. So that's unit vector A, you can write a1i plus a2j plus a3k. Since A is a unit vector, so you can write here modulus of A equal to 1. Here it is given that make angle A angle pi by 3 with I, pi by 4 with j, and acute angle theta with the k. Now we know that the cos theta equal to a1 upon a modulus. So cos pi by 3 will be a1 upon a modulus, and a modulus is 1 because that is given in question. So cos pi by 3 is 1 upon 2, that is equal to a1. Similarly, cos pi by 4 equal to a2 upon a modulus. A modulus is here also 1. Cos pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2, so a2 equal to 1 upon root 2 you get. Now cos theta equal to a3 upon a modulus, that a modulus is 1, so cos theta equal to a3 you get. Now it is in question given that A is a unit vector, so modulus of A equal to 1. So root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square equal to 1. Now you can do square both side, and A1 you can put the value 1 upon 2, A2 you can put value 1 upon root 2, and A3 you can put cos theta. So you will get here 1 upon 2 square plus 1 upon root 2 square plus cos square theta equal to 1 you get. Now look here, 1 upon 2 square is 1 upon 4, 1 upon root 2 square is 1 upon 2, and 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 will be 3 by 4 you will get. So 3 by 4 plus cos square theta equal to 1 you get. Now cos square theta equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4. Now cos theta equal to 1 by 2. So theta equal to you get pi by 3. Pi by 3 means here 60 degree you get. So here theta equal to 60 degree, and A3 equal to cos theta also. A3 equal to cos theta. So A3 equal to you get pi by cos pi by 3 means actually that is equal to 1.2. So theta equal to pi by 3 you get, and the components of A we get. Now question number 4 we have A minus B cross A plus B equal to 2 bracket A cross B, that you have to do. So look here, first you will take the left hand side. Here A minus B you have to multiply by A, then A minus B you multiply by B. Now you open the bracket again, so A minus A you have to multiply by A, then minus B multiply by A, then A multiply by B, and minus B multiply by B you get. Now A cross A equal to 0 and B cross B also 0, so you can put the value. Now we know that my A cross B equal to minus B cross A. So place of minus B cross A you can write A cross B. So in solution you get A cross B 2 times, so we get 2A cross B, that is the right